Fluffy, Jess. Fluffy, how you doing, right? Jessie, Jess, Fluffy, Jess, Fluffy, Jess. How you seem? Good? Bad? Sleepy? Sitting on the same chair. And remember guys, to subscribe to my channel and give me huge thumbs up to see more cute videos like this. What do you want to say? Jess and Fluffy, what do you want to say to all these subscribers out there? Do you see them? All of those people who subscribed. What do you have to say? Huh? What do you have to say? Huh? Okay. Are you ready to say the end of the part? Come on guys, are you ready? 3, 2,